Hey everyone, welcome to eCraft Box. Today we are going to learn the basics of decoupage. So let's get started. But before that, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe and click the bell icon so that you get all the future notifications. I have taken a wooden slice here. It's been polished already, ready to use. And you can see a small crack here. Don't worry about that. I'll show you something which you can use to fill it. Take a 1/4 spoon of plaster of Paris or white cement or talcum powder. Add a little bit of Fevicol, that is white glue, and bring it to a consistency of acrylic paint and apply on the crack. If the crack is bigger and deeper, then you have to make the consistency thick and you will be able to use it then. So let it dry. After drying, we are going to apply white acrylic color. I am not going to paint the bark of this slice, and my decoupage tissue is white. That's why I am coloring my slice white. Let it dry. I have added the link below where you can purchase all these materials. This is the decoupage tissue. It is normally 33 by 33 centimeters. Now there are 3 plies in this tissue. We have to carefully remove each and every ply, or you can say layer, like this. And then we are going to use the design part only. Once we remove the 2 layers, we have to wet our brush using the water and remove the excess like this. We are not supposed to tear it or remove the excess using the scissors, because then the edges will be too obvious. We need uneven edges. That is why we tear it in this way. Now you can see that there is a little bit excess even now. Again remove using the same method, using a wet brush. Carefully remove the excess and keep it aside. You can always use every part of this. Don't throw it away. Now it's ready. It's time to stick it to the wooden base. This is the Fevicryl Mod Podge gloss which I am using for decoupage. Apply around half spoon, around 5 ml first, and spread it out, and add more if you feel it is dry. I think for a diameter of 17 centimeters, I used around 10 ml of Mod Podge. I have applied even on the bark because it gives some sort of shine. Immediately before it dries, carefully, starting from one corner or one edge, press your fingers lightly so that there are no bubbles created when you are applying. Add the decoupage paper. Very carefully, you should make sure there are no bubbles. Some people even run a dry brush over this instead of using their fingers. After sticking the decoupage paper, you have to apply one more layer of Mod Podge. This seals and gives a shine to our decoupage creation. Again, apply even to the bark. You can see that it's wet, but it is giving a good shine. This is how it looks after it dries. There is a good amount of gloss there. Now you have to do a little bit of shading. I am using purple because there are few purple flowers here. I am using purplish white. Choose the colors which you think will blend well for the background. As I told, I am using purple shade, blending it with white color. So once it is done, it will look as though you have painted the entire thing. Only trick in the decoupage art is applying the tissue without bubbles. If you master that, decoupage art is one of the easiest art. Make sure you paint even in the gaps between the leaves or flowers. I have added the link below where you can find all these materials. After the paint dries, you can give a couple of coat of varnish to make it waterproof and glossy. It's complete and looking beautiful. I hope you liked today's project. Like, share and subscribe. See you next week. Bye.